Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to do one more LeetCode problem, that is rotate array. So the rotate array is nowadays asked a lot in interview questions. So the question, let's give yourself 2 minutes to read the question first. So the question is, given an integer array nums, rotate the array to the right by k steps, where k is non-negative. So for example, let's say we are given nums 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as an array, and then k is equals to 3. So the output would be 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So like we need to rotate from the kth element of the array. That is what the problem is. So give yourself 2 minutes and think about the approach that we can use to solve this problem. Then we will discuss about the problem and the approach to solve this problem. Now the approach to solve this problem. Like understand the rotation. Like what we need to do first. Rotating an array to the right by k steps means that each element in the array moves k position to the right, and elements that go beyond the last position wrap around to the beginning of the array. Now what we need to do, since rotating an array of size n by n or any multiply of n result in the same array, we first reduce k using k is equals to k% n. Like we are, this ensures that we only perform the necessary rotations. Now the third step would be reverse the entire array. The first step is to reverse the entire array. This transforms the array into a state where the last k elements are in the front, but in reverse order. Next, we reverse the first k element of the array. This step puts the last k elements in their correct order. The final step would be we reverse the remaining n minus k elements of the array. This step puts the first n minus k elements in their correct order. Now let's move to the IntelliJ and we will try to solve this problem. So here I'm going to create one more class and I will name this class as rotate array. Now here in this class, first we will be creating one method to reverse the array. So we will create one reverse method. So the reverse method, we will be passing one array, then int start and int end, and then we will be using a while loop. So the while loop, we are going to put a condition in which the start will always be smaller than end. So the condition will be working. Now we will be going to define one temporary variable. So I have initialized one temporary variable and I'm assigning the start value to this temporary variable. And then the num start I'm changing with num end, and the num end I'm changing with temporary, and then I'm going to increment the value of start and decrement the value of end. Now I'm going to create one more method, that is public static void rotate. Now in this method I'm going to pass the nums and int k. So this is the actual method. Now here the int n is equals to nums dot length and k is equals to k% n, like we discussed. Now here we will be giving reverse, so we will be starting from nums, that is what the array is, then 0 n minus 1. So here we are checking the value till n minus 1, like reversing the values till n minus 1. Then we will again reverse, and this times we will be reversing the value till k minus 1 element. Then we will reverse again, and in this case we will be reversing from k and till n minus 1. Now let's find out how this is working. So I'm going to define my public static void main method, and in this method I'm going to give some scenario. Now we will be initializing one array that we will be going to rotate. So let's see, the new array would be an int k is equals to 3. That is from where we are going to rotate it. Now here we are going to print out the nums. So let's run our code and see what output we are getting. Let's use code loop to iterate over the nums. So kudos, here you can see it got rotated by the kth element. So the kth element was 3 here, so that means 1 2 3. So after that it needs to rotate. So it has rotated from 5 6 7 data coming on the top, and then 1 2 3 4 data coming in the last. So we did that. Now let's discuss about the time complexity and space complexity of this algorithm. So the time complexity for this algorithm is O(n), where n is the number of elements in the input array nums. This is because each of the 3 reverse operations take linear time, and we perform 3 such operations. And the space complexity of this algorithm is O(1). This is because we are performing the rotations in the place without using any additional data structure that grows with the input size. The only extra space used is for a few variables like temp in the reverse method, which doesn't depend on the size of the input array. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe and share my YouTube videos and my YouTube channel so that I will be creating more videos.